Guys, many small cap stocks in this video, which is going to be part 1, and there will be part 2 as well, and then there is going to be a question and answer session, and then there will be a follow-up video. Okay, so and if there is a potential, I will also make another video, so there is no, it's not going to be like fixed. I'm very flexible, so I will just decide what I will do for the best, okay, for you guys. So also what I want you to do is take a pen and paper, or have your trading view account opened on the side, and whatever stocks that I'm discussing now, I want you to add in the watch list. Okay, and yeah, let's get started. How it goes, let's see. So this is Dish TV, right? So always what we are going to do is we're going to do multi-time frame analysis. Okay, so it is always better to start with monthly time frame and then go down to a weekly time frame and then daily time frame. Sometimes I look at just daily, and if the daily condition meets well, I'll go to the weekly time frame and check if the weekly time frame is good. If the weekly is good, I'll check monthly time frame. Sometimes it could be the other way as well. I start with monthly and then weekly and then daily. So it could be either way around. It is very important for you to when you're finally deciding the stock, right, when you're adding the watch list, always make sure to check all the time frames. Okay, this is very important. Like, this is like the very crucial piece of advice. As I said, it's not about the strategy, guys. I can tell you just one sentence. That sentence will change the way you trade. That sentence will give you more profits in in a different way. So it's not about strategy at all. It's all about important advices that you get throughout the video, here and there. If you just collect it and put it together in your trading, you will be successful, and there is no way you can go wrong if you follow all the advice that I'm going to give you. So this is why I tell you, do not skip any part, no matter what you're paying for this. If you skip it, it just means that you're burning your money. Okay, I think that's very simple for you to understand. So what I have here is Dish TV. When I look at Dish TV, what I see is a big fall in the past. I'm not going to touch it. There is not even a question about discussing about, if I should draw a pattern. No, I can see that this is already a 90, if not 90, maybe a 60-70% fall. Let me just check. Yeah, I think it's more than 80% fall from the top. See, it's 86%. I did not do anything. I did not check. I can see that it's an 80% fall, and I'm not going to touch any stock that has fallen 80% in the past and it hasn't recovered. I'm looking for a trending stock which has consistently performed in the past. Okay, so we're going to skip it. There is no discussion. Right now I have weekly time frame. Okay, keep that in mind. This stock is just sideways throughout its career. Okay, we are not going to yeah, like this is like this. Let's look at monthly. Look at this, guys. See, this is why I tell you, always do multi-time frame analysis. In weekly I was a little confused, like how to draw pattern, because if you draw it like this, it has not broken out, but in monthly time frame it has broken out already. If you look at this, stock 2 is a potential stock, guys. How lucky you guys are. So basically what you have to do, just wait for this month, okay, which is June. If it is closing very strong, even if it is closing around 588, or if it is closing above this wick, okay, it's very bullish. But it is very important that you wait for the monthly close, okay, no matter what, and then you can add to your watch list and stop loss and everything. I will explain it in a separate video, risk management, position sizing and everything. This is about adding potential stock to the watch list. Okay, because if I explain you now where to keep the stop loss and where to put your target, this will become a call, correct? But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to analyze. I'm not supposed to give you call or financial advice. I'm just supposed to I'm allowed to give only analysis. Okay, so yeah, I'll go for the next stock. We are adding Suntech to the watch list. Very steep, you know, breakout, and there is a fall. I'm not going to entertain this stock, guys. The reason is it has gone up very fast, it has come down, and there is a look at this. This is a pump dump candle. Like it has pumped. When it pumped, there was a big dump from the investor, probably the people who bought it here, right? Whenever, this is why you know, you have to be very careful. Just because it recovers doesn't mean that it will touch the all-time high and it can go up. No, sometimes it could also be a dump like this. What has happened here? Every time it has risen in the past, it has gone down as well, because this is where they dumped it. And here also it went up, pumped, they dumped it. So next time it may go up. It can go a little bit up like this. You understand what I mean? See, it has gone up, pumped, it has broken this high, gone up a little bit. People were very happy because this is okay. Let me just, this is why I hate support and resistance. Like this is a support and resistance, right? This is easily broken. As per the support and resistance concept, you have to buy, but it is broken, it's going down. Yeah, so what can happen? It can go up and then dump here. So we don't have any specific pattern, right? So you have to skip it.